Hey everyone, this is Elias Abdi. Today I am going to share with you the top 20 security object-oriented programming or soopy terms. As we go on together with these terms, if you have any comments, suggestions, or concerns, we will come up together to discuss resource terms after the presentation. Let's start with the resource. Resource can be the memory, disk drive, network bandwidth, battery power, or a monitor. It can also be system objects such as shared memory or a linked list data structure. Privilege. Privilege in a computer is a right for the user to act on managed computer resources. Abstraction. Abstraction is the process of hiding certain details and showing only essential information to the user. Minimization. Having the most minor functionality necessary in a program or device. Polymorphism. It allows a programmer to use methods of the same name but with different objects. Objects. Objects are the things we think about first in designing a program. Variables. A value that can change depending on conditions or information passed to the program. Typically, a program consists of infrastructure that tells, instructions that tell the computer what to do and data that the program uses when it is running. Methods. Methods are functions that are defined, a class that describes the behaviors of an object. Encapsulation. It is a class of definitions that encapsulate all data and functions to operate on the data. Inheritance. Inheritance is an abasing an object or class on a pre-existing object or class, inheriting some of its properties. Modularity. It is a design technique that separates the functionality of a program into independent, interchangeable components. Interface is a boundary with a set of mechanisms that enforce security policies and control the flow of information between interconnected information systems. Process isolation. Process isolation is a program running on a computer. Each process has a memory region that address space it can only access. Therefore, isolating the process addresses areas from other addresses areas prevents system tampering or interface from other processes. Domain separation. In a computer, domain refers to a collection of data or instructions that warrant protection. Outside of a computer, a domain can be an area, responsibility, or control. Therefore, separate domains allows for the enforcement of rules governing the entry and use domains by entities inside the domain. Open design. This is that protection mechanisms should not depend on the secrecy of design for security. Classes, methods, or functions should be open for extension, which is a new functionality. Defense layering. It is a separate level that an attacker must conquer to breach a system. It slows down an attacker because they need to conquer each layer before moving on to the next. Data hiding. Necessary aspects of a data structure or record to be observed or accessed. It provides greater program security and avoids intended data corruption. Simplicity is a lack of complexity that allow system designers and programmers to identify and want access paths more easily. Simplicity helps users to easily translate their general protection goals for appropriate system security configurations. Software security metrics. Make measurements to assess security-related imperfections that could help designers to discover and fix security vulnerabilities early. If you have any question, comments, and suggestion, you're very welcome to share with us. If not, thank you for listening